Just for you, a Quilt Conversations live highlight. Beginners increase ruler quilting confidence by quilting a star with straight line designs. Ruler Quilt A Star. Many of you are beginning ruler quilters who want more confidence with ruler quilting. I love to be able to give you the resources to take this course whenever you need it. You learn multiple straight line designs when you take the course. Not only are there videos, there are diagrams. So you get diagrams, you get video tutorials, and you also get a pattern for the star quilt in 3 different sizes. Okay? Small, medium, and large. Now it's time to put it into practice. This is an opportunity to practice ruler quilting with specific guidance on ruler quilting techniques.